Greetings, gamers. Welcome to the Dragon's Den. Today we're going to take a closer look at a brand that burst onto the scene and gained instant notoriety in 2024. Here we have the BeastX and BeastX Max by WLMouse. Stick around till the end to see how WLMouse stacks up against Finalmouse. First, let's take a look at the BeastX, which is a clone of the Finalmouse medium shape. This mouse is so light, a strong breeze could carry it away, though admittedly my breath would do the job much faster. The first thing that really stands out is that this mouse has a very metallic feel and sound. I do love the magnesium scroll wheel. That's a really nice touch. This dongle is absolutely gigantic. This looks more like a power supply than a USB receiver. The clicks are definitely spammable and feel solid. I have to say that Phoenix design on M2 is just gorgeous. This mouse feels even more metallic than a Starlight 12. Okay, now let's move on to the BeastX Max. Well now, this carrying case is really well made. There are dedicated spots for the dongle, USB receiver and cable. I love the bold, vibrant colors that WLMouse is using on these units. Already I see a much smaller and more standard-looking dongle. That's a good start. This case really is sturdy. There is no flex even when I use a lot of pressure. The BeastX Max is a clone of the Finalmouse Large shape. While this is a clone shape, there are significant differences between the two brands. The holes are larger and more uncomfortable to use on WLMouse compared to Finalmouse. The sides of the mouse feel like a cheese grater. I can only use the mouse comfortably with side grips installed. All right, now let's have some fun, shall we? I've dug into my Dragon's hoard and brought out a wide range of mice from different eras to compare. Here we have 3 different releases of the BeastX in different colorways. The clicks on the 3 BeastX mice are crispy, while the BeastX Max has more of a metal pinging sound. The metal scroll wheel leads to a better click and less pre-travel. The same is true for the side buttons. The metal versions have a more solid build feeling and lead to a more responsive click. Inside the box are additional grips and skates in multiple styles. So how do these stack up against the original magnesium mice, the Starlight 12? As mentioned previously, the holes are significantly smaller and much more comfortable on the Finalmouse version. Even though these mice are all made from magnesium metal, there is quite a range of click feeling and sound between the different units. Now let's compare to the Finalmouse ULX, which is still the same shape, but made from carbon fiber instead of metal. The carbon fiber produces a less audible sound that is accompanied by an even crisper click than the magnesium mice. I have noticed across multiple brands that paint seems to adhere better to metal and leave a more vibrant finished look. The BeastX, which is equal to a Starlight 12 medium, weighs around 40 grams. A medium Starlight 12, by comparison, comes in at 50 grams, an entire 10 grams heavier. My conclusion about the BeastX models is that while they are decent mice, I would personally prefer a Viper V3 Pro over a BeastX Max in that shape category. I also prefer a Finalmouse Medium over a BeastX, as it is less metallic sounding and more comfortable on the skin. Ready, aim, fire. See you next time, gamers.